Welcome to Brownlows' new addition to Vauxhall Zafira 7-seater turbo diesel, just coming to stock, 4695. Lot of car for the money, 88,000 miles on the clock. Finished off in iridium silver, comes with full black leather, comes with a 12 months MOT with no advisories and a 3-month warranty standard. Come and see Dave at Brownlow Cars. Inside of the Zafira, it's the SRI edition, so it comes with full black leather. It's got front heated seats, it's got CD player, multifunction stereo, multifunction steering wheel, full electrics all the way around, 6-speed manual gearbox. Like I said, this car comes with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, 3-month warranty standard. A lot of car for the money, 88,000 miles on the clock. So come and see Dave, Brownlow Cars, Darlington, Haughton Road.
At Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.